way to Papakits.
We're already here.
Ba't ako ka-film ganina? This is my intro. Hello.
Hello.
My intro.
Love, goodbye.
It's Saturday. We are bored. Then we woke up early. So, Papakits. We're gonna try to do all... I see a horse.
Yes.
I see a swing.
Yes.
So we're gonna try to do all the activities. Oh, horsey. It's a horsey. Wala tao. Yeah.
Yes.
Plot twist. Serado.
Sarado.
Oh.
Actually, we called Nandaan. So, mapagkiyaks. So if you wanna go somewhere, make sure to call first. To make sure lang ba? Make sure nga abli, you know. Since dengue prone this month. What? Ayun, titawa ka na. Since it's dengue season, I'm gonna wear my leggings to, you know, do all the activities. Even swim. I'm gonna wear my leggings to swim. Manamik park. We're gonna try to do all the activities. If, you know, kaya sa time. Oh yeah, it's 10:14. 10:14. 10:15! It's 10:15 in the morning. Always put off lotion.
Di kailangan magtago sa off overtime.
I actually have in my bag said mas humot.
Hey, you just tell me now, you know.
Okay.
I'm putting on this one.
I'm gonna use this. Mas humot ni siya. Ay, kaya. Here's the activities. Huh?
7 packs.
7 packs. What?
Little boat.
What little boat? Oh, there they are.
Ayun po.
Timsa. Okay, let's go.
Just here for the fishing.
He wants to fish. Scary bridge, man. I don't remember it like this good. So for the entrance, you pay in front. Then also the mga like jungle, like hanging bridge, horseback riding sa front. But then for the water stuff, okay, there nasa sud. And we want the water stuff. Dagma jud ko ba? It's a jungle. It's a wilderness. Hi, kuya. So you pay sa restaurant and then you get it here. And I have a cute one. Go, ibutay mo mga bag dong. So we'll just stay sa landong. Wish me luck. Oh my god. Ikaw nila ba?
Yeah.
Oh. Come on, fishes. Where are you, fishes? Wait, let me hold that.
This one is yours.
He's been watching mga fishing videos.
It's fun and relaxing.
So the last time he was here, kina sunburn siya.
So we're here in the landong.
Sa landong na lang nila. That's how you do it, guys. How to put on bait. You first.
This is yours, it's small.
What does that mean?
You're short.
I'm not short.
It's long.
Oh! Hagbong.
Close, balik siya. Big lady pressure, no?
Go! Go, throw it. It's there. It's right there.
Oh, it's right there. Lock it. There you go. Oh, what naman yung bait? Let's try again.
75 years later.
He got one, go! Oh my god, go! Nasangit ko! Go! Oh my god! I'm scared! I'm scared! Oh yeah, bawal ibalik ba ya? Uy, naluoy ko! Tinan kung kao ng isda. Last na ni. Oh god! Ah! Oh, so sad! Goodbye.
Butang ka na sa tubig para fresh gihapon ba? my God! Oh, dako as imo. You caught one. Dire. Isag pa. Handag ko ang isumbagan. Small king sinigang.
Okay.
You're a fish, and you know it.
Caught that fish. I caught that fish. Wait, let me explain. So, in papakits, if you fish, naanay bayad, you pay in the restaurant. You can't return the fish once you catch one.
Also known as catch and release.
250 pesos per kilo, and then 100 pesos however way you want it cooked. We got sinigang and sinugba. We got 4 fishes and i-separate na mo. 2 sinigang, 2 sinugba, and that's our lunch. Then we just bought na lang drinks and rice. So, we're gonna go horseback riding after.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Madi-virginize si Ayan. Ang imong lubot madi-virginize. Always bring water. Bring water. Picture. You don't know where they got their water. Bye. 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 Goodbye. Goodbye. Look at that cleavage. Daghan na kayo tao, like puno na. And then awa ang fishing, daghan na po. He said, so if you're smart, come early. Here's our sinigang, and then sinugba. Yes, dear. 100 pesos, 100 pesos. I caught 1 big one and 1 small one. Then he also caught 1 big and 1 small. Niya, ang mga big, kay Kani.
I think this is Bob.
This is Bob and, ito to?
Jason. My name was Raul.
Oh, Raul. Oh yeah, small man they say Raul. I didn't name the small one, maybe Lisa. Okay, we'll eat na. Bye.
This is Raul, the one with the broken lip.
Oh my God. We're on our way sa horses na, yay!
Thank you.